Hi, my name is Abby Cooper and my brother Henry will be demonstrating the two-handed backhand in tennis. The two-handed backhand is most commonly used, even though 50 years ago it did not even exist because most professional tennis players used a one-handed backhand. However, the #1 tennis player in the world right now, Roger Federer, does use a one-handed backhand. The two-handed backhand is used more commonly now because it creates most power and it's easiest to learn. So if you are a right-handed player, you want to have your left hand at the top of the grip and your right hand at the bottom of the grip, and you want to have it at eye level and where the grip is right by your belly button. So as you are playing your opponent, you will be moving your feet, getting ready for the ball, and then as your opponent hits the ball, you will split step and then have your hands like this at eye level with your racket, and then you will make contact with the ball. You will have your right shoulder facing where the ball is coming, have your right foot in front of your left foot, your racket face down, and you will follow through, bring your left foot back and have it back in ready position. So you'll be moving your feet and then split step, racket down, and then follow through and then back to moving feet. Now we will watch Henry demonstrate the two-handed backhand in tennis. First, we will watch Henry as he moves his feet and gets ready for the ball from the opponent and in the ready position. Second, we will watch Henry split step as the opponent hits the ball. Third, we will watch Henry bring his racket down to where his strings are facing the bottom of the court. Fourth, we will watch Henry turn 90 degrees with his right shoulder facing the net. And then finally, we will watch Henry follow through with his racket all the way up to his right ear. Okay, now that we have watched the skill broken down into its critical elements, we will now watch the skill performed in slow motion 3 times and then back in regular time. Thank you for watching. This was my video on the two-handed backhand in tennis. I've been playing tennis for 10 years myself, and I find the two-handed backhand to be the most efficient because it is very easy to learn and it creates the most power. So, thank you.